Welcome back to Future Wheels. Today, we're not just reviewing a car, we're stepping into a world where silence is engineered, comfort is an obsession, and luxury has no ceiling. This is the Rolls-Royce Phantom, the undisputed flagship of the brand, and one of the most refined automobiles ever created. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom, it's clear this car plays by its own rules. The towering grille, the iconic spirit of ecstasy, and that long, commanding silhouette don't shout for attention, they command it. This isn't about flash or aggression, it's about presence. The kind of presence that makes everything else on the road feel temporary. Under the hood sits a 6.7-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, producing 563 horsepower and an immense wave of torque. But here's the thing, the Phantom never feels fast in the traditional sense. There's no drama, no noise, no urgency. Acceleration is smooth, silent, and effortless, as if the car simply decides to be somewhere else, and then it is. 0 to 60 happens in about 4.5 seconds, yet it feels slower. Not because it is, but because Rolls-Royce has removed every sensation that reminds you of speed. That same philosophy defines the ride quality. The Phantom uses an advanced adaptive air suspension system, combined with a road-scanning camera that literally reads the surface ahead and prepares the car for imperfections before you reach them. Potholes don't disappear, they become irrelevant. The result is a ride so calm and composed that Rolls-Royce famously calls it the magic carpet ride. And for once, that description doesn't feel exaggerated. Step inside and the outside world simply fades away. The cabin isn't designed like a typical car interior. It's curated like a private luxury lounge. Every surface you touch is wrapped in the finest leather. Real wood veneers are matched grain by grain, and metal accents feel solid, cool, and timeless. Nothing here feels mass-produced, because it isn't. Each Phantom is built to order, tailored precisely to its owner's taste. Dominating the dashboard is what Rolls-Royce calls the gallery, a glass-covered panel that can house bespoke artwork, intricate clock designs, or minimalist finishes, turning the dashboard itself into a piece of art. Hidden within this elegance is a 10.3-inch infotainment display, seamlessly integrated so technology never disrupts the luxury. But the real magic happens in the rear seats, especially in the extended wheelbase version. This is where the Phantom truly earns its reputation. Passengers are treated to reclining seats with massage functions, deep pile carpets, fold-out tables, and even a built-in champagne cooler. Rear passengers also get their own touchscreens for entertainment, navigation, and vehicle controls, making the experience feel closer to first-class air travel than ground transportation. And despite all this old-world luxury, the Phantom is thoroughly modern. It offers advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning, forward collision alerts, night vision, and adaptive cruise control, all working quietly in the background to keep the experience calm and uninterrupted. So, what's the final verdict? The Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't about value, performance figures, or practicality. It's about achieving a level of comfort and refinement that no other car can match. It's about silence so deep it feels therapeutic. It's about craftsmanship that turns transportation into ceremony. No one needs a Phantom, but for those who can afford it, nothing else will ever feel quite the same. And that's what makes the Rolls-Royce Phantom more than just a luxury sedan. It's a benchmark, a symbol, and quite possibly the most serene way to move through the world on four wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe to Future Wheels, and let us know in the comments, would you rather drive the Phantom yourself or be driven in it? We'll see you in the next one.